Okay, those of us that have the junk bikes, juiced bikes, HyperScorpion, Scorpion seats. Well, we know how the rest of the bike is a piece of crap. Yeah, I got news for you. This seat is just as much of a piece of crap. I've already slid open my seat there. I just put a Band-Aid on it. That's my fault. I can't blame them for that, except it did expose how thin this vinyl fake, I'm gonna call it fake vinyl is. But underneath here, look at this. That's your stitches. It's not gonna take much for that to wear all the way. Where's my thumb? It's not gonna take much to keep unraveling. And let's turn this around to the other side. There's that one there. That's already looks like it's about to come undone. All right, so I can't let that happen. So easy fix is gonna be with some super glue. Just get you a little drop of glue right there on those threads. Make sure you get both sides. I just put a bunch on there. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna get the other threads, even though they don't look bad yet. And at the front of the seat, I don't think they're bad yet, but there's a staple right there. It didn't make it. But I'm gonna do some preventive maintenance. And we're gonna super glue that. And we're gonna super glue this side here too, just to keep it from coming unraveled. Put a little extra on there because that one's almost completely undone. All right, man. That's it. Till the next problem we have with these shitty bikes. See ya.